When it comes to building a startup, one of the most important decisions you'll face is not just what product to build, but how to sell it. Sales models are the framework for how your product reaches customers, how you convert interest into revenue, and how you design your growth strategy. Three primary approaches dominate the landscape: product led growth, PLG, sales led growth, SLG, and hybrid models that combine elements of both. Each has unique strengths and trade offs. And the wrong choice can set you back months, costing thousands of dollars and critical momentum. Understanding these models isn't just an academic exercise, it's a practical necessity. Founders who align their sales motion with their product, market, and customer behavior are the ones who thrive. Those who don't often burn through time and resources before realizing their strategy was mismatched. Today, we'll break down these models, explore when to use them, and learn from companies that have mastered each path. Sales models matter for several reasons, and ignoring them can be fatal. The first is customer journey design. Your sales model defines how customers discover, evaluate, and adopt your product. Every touchpoint, from free trials to demos to enterprise contracts, flows from this choice. The second is resource allocation. Whether you invest in engineers to perfect self-service onboarding or in sales teams to run demos, your model dictates where your budget and energy go. Misalignment can drain resources with little return. The third is product market fit alignment. Not every product works with every model. Simple, viral-friendly tools thrive with PLG. Complex, high-ticket enterprise solutions demand SLG. Forcing the wrong model creates friction, confusion, and wasted effort. The fourth is strategic alignment. Founders must make sure their sales motion aligns with market dynamics and product characteristics. A brilliant product with the wrong sales strategy will still fail. The lesson is clear. Sales models aren't just operational choices, they are strategic bets that shape your growth trajectory. Product led growth is a model where the product itself becomes your primary sales engine. Instead of relying on salespeople to explain the value, PLG products let users experience that value directly. The first characteristic is self-service discovery. Users find, sign up, and try the product on their own. No gatekeepers, no long calls, just frictionless entry. The second is try before you buy. PLG thrives on freemium or free trial models. Customers get a taste of the value, and once hooked, they naturally convert to paid plans. The third is growth loops. Because users love the product, they share it. Word of mouth, virality, and network effects amplify adoption organically. Examples are everywhere. Zoom transformed video calls by letting anyone try it instantly. No training required. Dropbox simplified file sharing so effectively that people invited colleagues to use it naturally. Notion revolutionized productivity with templates and collaboration features that spread within teams without sales intervention. PLG shines when your product has low friction, strong viral potential, and clear value that users can grasp quickly. It's the bottom-up approach to growth fueled by delight. In contrast, sales-led growth relies on humans, not just products, to drive adoption. This is the world of demos, discovery calls, and enterprise relationships. The first feature is a human-driven process. Dedicated sales teams guide prospects through complex buying decisions, explaining value and handling objections. The second is an enterprise focus. SLG is common for high-ticket, complex solutions that require customization, onboarding, and long-term support. These are not products you can adopt with a click. They require partnership. The third is relationship building. Success depends on building trust through long-term engagement. Sales reps become advisors, ensuring prospects feel understood and supported. Think of Salesforce, which dominates CRM by selling to entire organizations with consultative sales, or Palantir, tackling massive data problems with deeply customized solutions, or Workday, transforming HR operations through enterprise contracts. SLG works best when solutions are high value but also high friction, when adoption requires guidance, customization, and confidence before a purchase is made. It's the top down approach to growth led by relationships. Hybrid models combine the strengths of PLG and SLG, creating a system that leverages bottom up adoption while capturing top down enterprise revenue. Here's how it works: PLG drives rapid user acquisition. Individuals and small teams discover the product, use it, and fall in love. Meanwhile, sales teams monitor these signals and identify expansion opportunities. Once a team or organization has enough engaged users, sales steps in to negotiate broader contracts, upsells, or enterprise licenses. This combination ensures efficiency and scalability. DLG provides low cost acquisition and viral momentum, while SLG secures high value deals that maximize revenue. Some of the best known success stories follow this model. Slack began with team level adoption. People signed up organically because the product was delightful. Then sales teams converted that grassroots traction into enterprise wide licenses. Atlassian mastered hybrid strategies with products like Jira, blending self service adoption with enterprise contracts. HubSpot balanced inbound adoption with structured sales for larger customers. The hybrid model is powerful because it balances efficiency with scalability. It creates the best of both worlds. The right sales model depends on your product, your market, and your stage of growth. Choose PLG when your product has low friction, strong viral potential, and natural network effects. It's best for tools individuals can adopt instantly without sales intervention. Choose SLG when your product is complex, tailored to enterprises, and requires long sales cycles with high ARPU, average revenue per user. This is where relationships matter more than virality. Choose hybrid when you want both volume and enterprise revenue. If your product works for individuals and teams, and you can convert bottom up adoption into top down contracts, hybrid creates expansion opportunities across segments. Remember, your model should evolve as your product matures. Start focused, then adapt. Many companies begin as PLG, add SLG later, and evolve into hybrid approaches as they target multiple segments. Flexibility is key. The path forward is not about picking one model forever. It's about choosing the model that fits your current stage, then adapting as your customers and product evolve. Sales models are the hidden architecture behind startup growth. They determine how you reach customers, how you convert them, and how you scale revenue. PLG puts the product in the driver's seat, relying on self service, free trials, and viral loops. SLG puts humans in the driver's seat, relying on trust, relationships, and enterprise contracts. Hybrid models combine the two, blending the efficiency of bottom up adoption with the scalability of top down deals. The examples of Zoom, Dropbox, Salesforce, Slack, and HubSpot show us that no model is universally best. The right one depends on your product's complexity, your market dynamics, and your growth ambitions. The most important lesson is this: your sales model should never be chosen by default. It should be intentional, strategic, and adaptable. Startups that treat their sales model as a living strategy, evolving with their market, are the ones that build not just products, but enduring businesses.